Hi, I'm John Cornetta.
And I'm Mike Filsaime. And today we're coming to you from inside my house.
And so while you might notice a little echo, the reason is we're shooting here in Mike's living room. We can't shoot in the studio because of social distancing. But listen, the reason that we're really here, we all know, is the impact that the coronavirus is having on all businesses. And Mike and I and the rest of the team here at Groove Digital wanted to do something about it. We want to give back. So Mike's going to tell you all about it. We hope you like the message. Mike, take it away.
Thanks, John. Okay, so follow me right over here and I'll give you all the details. Okay, look, it's no secret that COVID-19 is affecting businesses. It's affecting small businesses, Las Vegas, the Olympics, it's affecting everything. But really, the lifeblood of our country are the entrepreneurs, are the small businesses. And fortunately, digital businesses have it a little bit easier because we could work virtually. But we're still suffering. And we're seeing companies from all over the world and American companies come together to help out the economy in any way that they can, from General Motors to MyPillow. And my partners and I were talking about this for the last 10 days, just like everybody else. And we want to know, how can we help? How can we give back to the community? And how can we do something that's not self-serving and that can truly help you save some money in these times? And we think we have something pretty special for you. So let's cut to the chase. Let's talk about what we're going to do for you and for the online community. Now, we do have a product coming out in June. It's called Groove Funnels. It has a suite of products like Groove Pages, which is a world-class landing page, marketing funnel builder, website builder. We have Groove Sell and Groove Affiliate to help you sell your products for digital marketers and have an army of affiliates. It also has Groove Mail, which is a email marketing software, kind of like ActiveCampaign. It allows you to do email marketing, automation, broadcast, and tagging. It'll have something called Groove Member, which is a membership management platform, and it'll have Groove Video, which is kind of like a Wistia, and it's all built into one. But what we're doing today is we're going to be snapping off Groove Sell and giving it away for you for free. Yes, that's right. Free for life. No credit card. The full feature set. Every upgrade we ever do. There's no games here, folks. There's absolutely nothing. As we said, there's no upsell to this. There's no game plan. While we do hope that in the future, you might want to upgrade to our full suite, we do know that you're probably paying $99 or $199 for other shopping carts to sell your digital marketing platforms. You know the names. There's a lot of great companies out there and they do it well. The only thing is, we do it better and we're giving it to you for free. Again, I want to be clear. There is no credit card. We will never ask you for your credit card for Groove Sell or for Groove Affiliate. You can have unlimited funnels for your products, unlimited product funnels. You can have unlimited products. You can have unlimited checkout loads. You can have unlimited affiliates. Basically, you can do anything you can with Groove Sell that you can do with any digital marketing shopping cart out there. We have the best affiliate platform and the best sales platform. Just wait till you see it. So you can get it right now just by putting your name and email address and creating an account. Remember, we're not going to ask you for a credit card and there won't be any upsells at all. Look, I could go on and sell you about Groove Sell and tell you all the things that it does. The easiest way is to just create your free account and you'll get an account right away and you can see everything that it does. Again, this allows us to have a relationship. Maybe one day you'll learn about me and you'll come on the Marketer's Cruise, or I'll see you at GrooveCon, or maybe you'll buy our product Groove Funnels in the future or now. Or we can have a continued relationship inside of our Facebook group where you can find free training that we do every Tuesday and every Thursday for digital marketing and e-commerce. But the bottom line is, this is something we were going to charge $99 a month for, and you're going to get Groove Sell and Groove Affiliate free, and it's probably better than anything you've ever used. Just one last thing, we're not sure how long we're going to be doing this, but it's definitely going to be for at least a few weeks right now. So make sure to get inside right now. If you get in now, you are going to be grandfathered in for life. We will never ever ask you to pay for anything when it comes to Groove Sell or Groove Affiliate. Period, the end. No credit card will ever be needed. You can use this software to run your business, and if it helps you save some money right now, well, then we did our part. So on behalf of my business partners, John Cornetta, and not here with us today, Matt Saralta and Matt Naus, and our incredible team here at Groove Digital, we want to thank you very much for hearing this message, and we hope to see you as part of the community for years and years to come.